Hi, today is our final day for Unit 3, Week 4. So we are finishing up what changes happen in a garden. Now we're going to continue to talk about what is changing in our world for the next 2 more weeks, but today is the last day where we focus on the garden. So looking at these pictures and from what we've read and what we did this week, I want you, there's about half a page, I want you to fill that up. Don't write like your largest writing. Try and do a couple sentences about what changes happen in a garden. Like, how did the plants start? How do they grow? What do they need? So talk about that, and you're going to write that. Afterwards, you are going to find the rhyming words for the words that I have there. So what I like to do is I like to start at the vowel and underline so that I know what the ending should be. So rhyme the word based on the ending, and write that word next to it. So pause again, so you can write those. Okay, now you're going to go on Seesaw and you are going to read the words. This is going to take back and forth. So what I would suggest is even starting while somebody is writing the rhyming words and then go back and forth, because I want to hear each of you read individually. And there's two of them. There's words and then there are sentences. So do that and pause. And the final thing that we are going to do is we are going to take our spelling test for the week. So go to your spelling test page, and we are going to fill in and start with number 1. And the first word is call. Call me to come home. Call. Remember, if you need time, pause until you get it, or rewind if you need to hear it again. Number 2, helped. Graham helped me plant a seed. Help. 3, ask. May I ask for a drink? Ask. 4, planned. We planned to go last week. Planned. 5, drop. Drop the letter into the mailbox. Drop. 6, called. Pete called his mom. Called. 7, help. Will you help me with this homework? Help. 8, dropped. Katie dropped the ball. Dropped. 9, plan. Who will plan the trip? Plan. 10, asked. Jane asked for 2 new t-shirts. Asked. 11, again. May we march around the room again? Again. And finally, number 12, soon. We'll eat very soon. Soon. So finish any of the worksheets that you may still have, or any that are on there that I forgot about, and come back in and turn it in the red bucket. If you have any questions, let me know, but you guys have done great, and I'm really proud of you. Thank you.